Hello, my name is Manjeet Mann, and I'm so excited to tell you that from the 20th of September to the 11th of October, Run Rebel, my debut novel, is the featured book for the National Teen Book Club. I am so excited, which is an online book club for young people across the UK. Now, Run Rebel is about a teenage girl called Amber, and Amber is desperate to live her own life on her own terms. However, her home life is far from perfect, and the novel explores the conflict of cultures between her challenging and at times abusive family life at home and her school life, which is full of friendships and teen crushes and a passion for athletics. And throughout the novel, Amber has to learn to navigate these two opposing cultures and develop the strength to grow and build her own identity in the face of all these major obstacles. Now, I will be joining the National Teen Book Club on the 11th of October for a live Q&A, answering all your questions about my career, about Run Rebel and the inspiration behind it, and all things writing. So educators, you can sign up your students via the Speakers for Schools website. Now, if you're a young person watching this and you're wanting to join, direct your educators to the Speakers for Schools website too, through the link in the bio. Now, I for one am really looking forward to it. So I'll see you there.